almost cried. Can you see? Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you all? And I'm fine. And what should I say? I am really thankful for all your love and support in my last videos, your comments. I read them all. Thank you so much for all your love and the likes you have given me on my video. I really read all your comments and it gives me immense joy and happiness that you all love my reaction and you want me to do more. And I am so happy today. I am so happy today. See, I did a little makeup today. Just wanted to impress you guys. Thank you so much for thank you so much. I'm speechless. I just after reading all the comments, I started making this video because I was so happy and I was so excited to make new videos so that I can show you more of my reaction. So I am really happy and thank you so much for all your love again, and keep commenting whatever you like, and do comment down below about this video also. So this was a most requested video which was asked in my comments was Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Raag 2014 Nobel Peace Prize concert. So it was the most requested video and I have not watched it yet, so I really wanted to watch it with you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get into this. And again, thank you so much for all your love and support. Okay, I'm setting my laptop. Okay. So Raag by Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Nobel Peace Prize concert goes here.
Be prepared to dance to a different beat, y'all. He's one of Pakistan's biggest stars, as Malala said. He's recorded over 50 albums. He has toured the world, sold out the biggest arenas. He's here tonight to help us celebrate Malala and Kailash, Royal Highnesses, Excellency.
Okay, this year when Kailash from India and Malala from Pakistan got the Nobel Peace Prize, yeah, I know that. Yeah, it's a proud moment for both the countries. It's a very proud moment. So, yeah.
Gentlemen and kids, guess what? It's party time. Who's there? Rahat Ali Khan!
Oh my God, can you believe that is only one breath? One breath. In one breath, he took such a long, alap, I think so we say that. In one breath, he did that. Oh my God. Hold on. My God, that is too much to take care. Okay, again I have to go back. I will listen to it once more again. He has so much energy, so much power, and he puts so much in that you are mind blown. And I'm thinking about all the foreigners who are sitting there. They must be, like, what this man is singing on another level, because in foreign music, in Western music, you don't hear this type of singing. It is just simple singing. They do not do rags and alafs so much. So they must be really in shock, and they must be really impressed by Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. I'm just going two steps backwards so that I can see again that part. Okay, we have to go back. I'm sorry, it was so impressive. In one breath, I'm telling you that we cannot even hold our breath for more than 10 seconds or 15 seconds, and he is going on in one breath. Okay, have to go back.
तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल जानी पड़ेगी मोहब्बत की राह हो मेरा कर दो
Oh, sorry. Even the backup singers are so talented. They are able to match up with his high note. Not exactly, but yeah, they are going with a very good flow with him. And yeah, it's a perfect performance. And it is the best way to represent your music and your culture in front of the foreigners. They must be really impressed by the type of singing and the type of songs and the capability of this man. I will just go backwards because it started so suddenly. I couldn't focus. Just a minute. Get ready. That was so far. That was so far. I got goosebumps, I got goosebumps. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Again. I'm sorry I'm going back, but this has so much, oh my god. That's why you recommended this. I understand now. Oh my god, I have to go back. I'm in shock. I am in shock. Oh my god. I'm speechless. What? It's like it's like he's rapping, but I mean, what we can say, very high speed. Rappers rap in without breathing or in one breath. In the same way, but he's much more faster than them and in rhythm. Can I go back one more time, please? I just want to enjoy that part again. I was so sure I couldn't. One more. See all the people enjoying it. Oh my god, I'm just happy that they are enjoying this. He's so happy. He's also smiling and singing, and it's very nice to see that, you know. I almost cried. Can you see? I cried. Oh my god. In the end, he just made me, he gave me goosebumps and I started to almost cried. I teared up, you know. Oh my god. It was so beautiful, and you know, pure talent, no auto tuning, no background, any music or something. Pure talent, and all. Did you see the drummer? He was like maybe a middle-aged man. He was maybe 35 or 40, but his energy and his performance was best. It was very good. Nowadays, you know, it's not, it's like a stigma that drummer has to be a young guy or young boy. No, if you have talent, you can do anything at any age. So yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. I loved it. Thank you guys for recommending this, and I really love you all. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Do love this video too, and like the video, and comment down below what should I react to next, and subscribe to my channel. I love if you could subscribe to my channel, you know. It will give me more motivation to do more, and comment down again on what I'm saying this, and thank you so much for all your love and support. Bye. I would love if you subscribe.